These 5 plants don't just look good, they naturally fight infections, boost immunity, and keep you healthy. Let's take a walk through your future home herbal garden. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are not just for seasoning your dal tadka. They are loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamin A, B, C, and E. Here is what they can do. Help regulate blood sugar levels, especially useful for diabetics. Improve digestion and reduce bloating. Support hair growth and reduce premature graying. Rich in antioxidants, they protect your liver and heart. You can chew 8 to 10 raw curry leaves on an empty stomach every morning or make curry leaf tea. You can also dry and grind them to use as a health powder. Tulsi, holy basil. Tulsi is considered sacred for a reason. It's a powerful adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress, relieves cough, cold, asthma, and other respiratory issues, also reduces stress and anxiety, boosts immunity, and fight infections. Acts as a natural detoxifier for the liver and kidneys. Make tulsi tea using 5-6 fresh leaves and sip it twice a day. You can also chew raw leaves or mix tulsi juice with honey for cough relief. Night blooming jasmine or parijat. Parijat is not just a beautiful flower, it's a traditional medicine in itself, especially useful when you're battling persistent dry cough, joint pain, or even fevers. Here is how it helps. Treats dry cough that doesn't go away easily. Relieves arthritic joint pain and swelling. Helpful in malaria and dengue fevers. Known to have mild sedative and antiviral properties. Boil 5 to 7 parijat leaves in 1.5 cups of water. Let it reduce to half. Drink 100 ml daily, especially useful for that nagging cough and joint stiffness. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is your go-to plant for skin and internal healing. It's like having a natural gel pharmacy growing at home. Health benefits include soothes burns, acne, and wounds, aids in digestion and reduces constipation, detoxifies the body and supports liver health, boosts collagen production for younger looking skin. Apply the fresh gel directly on the skin or blend 2 tablespoons of gel with water and consume in the morning twice a week. Lemongrass. Lemongrass does not just smell good, it heals. It's one of the best plants for calming the body and mind. Health benefits include relieves anxiety and insomnia, helps reduce cholesterol and inflammation, supports healthy digestion and reduces bloating, has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Use lemongrass to make tea. Chop 1 stalk, boil in 2 cups of water, and sip warm. Great after meals or before bedtime. So, which of these healing plants will you grow first? Let your garden be your medicine cabinet. And if you already have these plants, share your experience in the comments. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care tips and plant based wellness tips.